Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I will be the man behind the camera. In today's video, like you guys saw in the title and the thumbnail, we're going to be upgrading the brakes on my Volvo XC70 T6. The XC70 comes from factory with 316 single piston caliper. These do not brake the best and of course don't look the best considering that I've got some 19-inch two-piece wheels on it. So it kind of makes it all look small and it doesn't look proper for a performance wagon like I'm trying to build. This is the final touch before we can go ahead and tune the vehicle to its full potential because of course before making power you need to be able to stop. So today we're going to be going to a shop which was able to custom fabricate me mounts to fit Volvo's V60 Polestar 6-piston Brembo GT6 calipers. So we are going to be going from a 316mm rotor to a 374mm rotor and from a single piston caliper to a 6-piston caliper. So let's get driving. I've got the calipers, the rotors, and the pads with me in the trunk and we're going to be driving to a shop in Laval which accepted to do the install because of course since the caliper bracket was custom made, we're not sure yet that it's actually going to fit on the XC70, which I hope because all the dimensions we're giving to that shop which is going to be doing the install. So yes, I would have loved to do the install and show you guys how to do it, but I'm still going to be able to show you guys how to do it just with the safety of not paying for a part that doesn't fit. Alrighty guys, so like you can see, the front left side is on and let me just give you an idea of the sheer size. This is my hand next to the caliper. Look at how big this rotor is. Brand new stainless steel braided brake lines. These are going to be exactly the same configuration that you have on the V60 Polestar and S60 Polestar. So now this XC70 could technically be considered an XC70R if you would like to say so, even though it isn't. But can't wait to get the other side on and then we're going to go outside, we're going to start driving the car and of course start braking to brake pads in and the discs in of course and everything like that. And I can't wait to show you guys a new addition that I've made to the channel, which is sitting right there. Yeah, I got a little bit of an issue with that car, but I'll tell you guys in the next video. So man, I wish I had that for California. It looks insane guys with the wheels on. I can't wait to show you guys the final result. So I think what I'll do is I'll let them finish the work and then I'll show you guys the final result at the end. Enjoy.
I've been giving you the rest of me. Now you wanna stay the night. Pity how you work hard for me, but forgetting how to talk. Nah, I don't like no humble beats. Just go and suss it up. Now it's time to marinate. And right after we're done, I like it when you're looking like that. I like it when you shit, chat, shit. I like it when you're looking like that. Oh, shut your front to my reaction.
Holy shnikes, that's insane. Is it safe to say that I have the world's first XC70 on Polestar V60 S60's 6-piston GT6 Brembo calipers? Maybe, maybe not. You guys let me know down in the comments below if you've already seen such an insane XC70. I told you guys I was gonna go above and beyond with this build and this was the little cherry on the sundae. Next year, we're gonna be dropping her lower because like I said, I want it to be slammed and nice, and we're also gonna be doing a tune to make it a little bit quicker. Maybe flush the transmission, get some new fluid in there, maybe get an intake from the 088 or snab, and maybe upgrade the intercooler and see what we can push. My goal, like I said, was in between 350 to 400 wheel horsepower, which I really think that we can achieve with this build. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.